want you to smile today.
But I don't feel like smiling.
Hello, my name is Simone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay, did you guys miss me? If you are new to this video, hi, hello, welcome, and I would be so honored if you would subscribe. Also, if you haven't checked out any of my other videos, go check them out. Go give them a look. There's some good stuff on there. I'm sure you'll find something that you love. Okay guys, so this is what it's giving. This is what my hair is giving today. This is day 6 of my twist out. I like it. I feel like I go for more volume than definition, but it's definitely time to get this washed. I find that when I do twist outs, I think that they're a really good litmus for my hair health. And as I was doing this twist out, I was like, I really think that I need a trim. I remembered this video that I had watched with this girl, and she did a protein treatment on her hair. And I've always been like very hesitant of doing protein treatments because everybody's always like, oh, like only do a protein treatment if you know that your hair needs it. Like you don't just go and do protein treatments willy-nilly. You do it if you need it. I feel like I need it. Like, I don't know, it's giving, it needs protein and strength. That's what it's giving. She was saying in the video of the protein treatment, like ways that you would know if you probably need a protein treatment. And the things that she was saying, I was like, oh, that's like me. Like, I think I need one. Like, I think it's about that time. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I was saying that like if your hair is like breaking off when you wash it, and also if you have like straggly ends, and I feel like I have straggly ends, and every time I wash my hair it breaks off. Cue all the videos of my hairballs that I've been trying to track how much hair I'm losing, and I'm losing a lot of hair on my wash day, so I'm like, maybe I just need a little more strength, a little more binding. And so that's what we're gonna do with this protein treatment. And I'm also gonna do just like a little trim. So I think it's about time, just so that, you know, things are a little bit more uniform. So yeah, we're really gonna do a little TLC on the hair today. See what it's giving. Okay, so the hair mask that I'm using today, it's gonna be the Miracle Repair CPR protein treatment. This is actually on the lighter side of protein treatments. It's a mask. You only put it on for 3 minutes, and you use it after you wash your hair. Usually protein treatments you use before you wash your hair so that you can like put the moisture back in your hair. This one isn't as stripping. The reviews I've seen on it says that it's not as strong as something like an Alpha-G protein treatment would be. So I really feel like this is good for like a start. Like I've never done a protein treatment before, so I feel like this is like a good starter protein treatment if you're like not really sure how your hair is gonna handle it. Just start with this. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and wash my hair. And for my shampoo today, I'm gonna be using the Aussie Miracle Coils line. Aussie has a line for 4C hair. I had no idea. Every time I see Aussie products, I always think like, oh, like that's like not my demographic of hair. But no, they have a kinky coily line, and I actually picked this up after I used the conditioner, which was actually really good. There's like a really good like slip in the conditioner, so I was like, okay, well, like let me try the shampoo as well because I like to use my products in conjunction. So if you guys want to like a full review on like the Aussie line, I have the shampoo and conditioner. Maybe I could try like one more item just to see how it like works on my hair. Let me know if you want that down in the comments below. But I'm gonna start with the shampoo, and then we're gonna get into the conditioner. And then after the conditioner, the instructions on the back say to go in for extra moisture, to go in with the Miracle Repair X Deep Hydrating Mask, which I actually do have right here. However, it is on its last leg. Like there's actually nothing in here because I've used this product up so much. It's really good. So I'm also going to be going in with the Honey Repair Mask. These are all TGIN products, so I'll be going in with the Honey Repair Mask, which this is also on its last leg, but I got a little bit more, so I'm going to be doing the hydrating mask. So I'm going to leave this on for 3 minutes, and then I'll put this on, these together, and I'll do like a heat mask or something. So let's get into it. Okay, so now we are in the shower. This is what the protein treatment looks like. It's just like the same consistency as a regular TGIN mask would be. So my hair's already washed and conditioned, so I'm just wetting it down, and I'm placing the product through just one section of my hair. I like to do things section by section, and I'm even gonna take that section and split it into another section just so that I can make sure that I am getting every single piece of my hair. And then I'm just going to be brushing the product through, starting with the ends, of course, and then making my way down my hair shaft so that every single hair strand has the product in it. And then I'm going to twist up my hair, and I'm going to continue to do that for the entirety of my head. Now that I have the product all throughout my hair, I'm going to put on my shower cap, and I'm gonna let this sit for 3 minutes. I know that I did the twists and then they've probably been in there longer for 3 minutes, but we're gonna let it sit for 3 minutes. And now we are back. I washed the protein treatment out of my hair. I washed it out even though my hair is still in the twists, and we're just gonna see what it's looking like out of the twist. I will say that my hair didn't feel as stripped as it would with a regular protein treatment. Well, I'm assuming. I've never done a actual like regular protein treatment, but like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I definitely recommend this for somebody who is a beginner when it comes to protein treatments like myself, because I felt like I was able to use this product easily. It was very beginner friendly. Nonetheless, we're gonna put these masks in for some deeper hydration. Okay, we're back. I did my hair mask. I let that sit for 30 minutes, and this is what we're looking like. I definitely feel like my hair feels a lot more moisturized, but as you can see, my ends are still a little scraggly. So we're actually going to moisturize my hair, blow dry it out, and then we're gonna do a little trim, and I'll show you how I trim my hair. It's like nothing crazy. I just want to like make sure that the ends like don't look so scraggly. We're just gonna do like a little something. I like to trim my hair when it's stretched just so that I can like really see what's kind of going on. And that'll be it for my hair, I guess. So let's get into stretching my hair. I am going to be blowing my hair out, so we are of course going to start with some heat protectant. And again, I have my hair divided into 4 sections, and then I divide those 4 sections into even smaller sections just so that I can make sure that my hair is completely blown out. And as you can see, those ends are scraggly, honey, so we are going to take care of that. Okay, this is how everything looks all blown out, but you see like these like just little scraggly ends. I'm just gonna trim that off, and that's that. So let's do it. So the first thing I want to do is just make sure that there are no knots or anything in my hair, and then I'm gonna twist it up. I also divide like the sections, like I go across my head. I try to get it as even as possible. This is a trim and not an actual like cut. I usually have my mom cut my hair, so this is just a trim. I twist it down until it gets to the very end, and you see the scraggly ends. I just snip those off, and that's it. I mean, it's not like the most professional cut, but it honestly makes a really big difference. And I'm going to show you guys the before and after, and you're going to be like, oh my gosh, wow, this makes a really big difference. I know that the people who like really know hair are going to be like, girl, you need to cut off more of that, but like I said, I'm not a professional, so I would recommend going to a professional if you really want to get like a good cut. But if you just need like a little freshening up, this is the way to go. So after I cut off all those little end pieces, I'm just gonna take my hair out just to kind of see what things are looking like now that I have less scraggly ends. And so yeah, let's just take a look and see what it is giving. I can already tell that it looks so much better. I'm able to run my fingers through it a little better. And yeah, these are the after effects of my haircut. I feel like it looks so much better. There's like less scraggly ends, less little pieces. And remember, this is what we looked like before. As you can tell, like you can like see through my ends. It was so bad, but now it is so much better. I love that for me. Always remember that Jesus loves you, and so do I. And if you didn't get your smile right now, then here's your smile right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Kisses. Mwah. Bye.